The Rajinder Da Dhaba menu is a legendary symbol of Delhi's rich street food culture, loved for its authentic North Indian, Mughlai, and Chinese inspired flavors. Founded in 1968 by late Rajinder Kumar, the dhaba started as a small food stall in Safdarjung enclave and has grown into one of India's most celebrated food destinations. Much like the Pepito Ahmedabad menu, it connects generations through its timeless taste, traditional recipes, and heartwarming meals. Located at AB 14 Safdarjung Enclave Market, New Delhi, Rajinder Da Dhaba serves more than 60 dishes across categories such as starters and tandoori items, main course, breads and rolls, and vegetarian and Chinese fusion. Signature dishes on the Rajinder Da Dhaba menu include butter chicken, handi mutton, dal makhni, and kadai paneer, each cooked with authentic spices and traditional techniques over live charcoal. The restaurant's lively street-side ambience, combined with its delicious smoky aromas, creates an unforgettable dining experience. The Rajinder Da Dhaba menu is also available for online orders via Zomato, Swiggy, and DotPay, making it accessible across Delhi NCR. Its affordable prices, consistency, and authentic taste have earned it rave reviews, with an average customer rating above 4.5 out of 5. The dhaba operates daily from 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. and its busiest hours are between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. What makes the Rajinder Da Dhaba menu truly special is its commitment to tradition. The recipes have remained unchanged for over 5 decades, preserving the flavors that made it famous. Families, travelers, and food enthusiasts continue to visit for its unmatched combination of nostalgia and taste. Even after more than 50 years, the Rajinder Da Dhaba menu stands as a timeless culinary treasure, a perfect blend of passion, authenticity, and Delhi's unbeatable street food heritage.